little fox.
Bagheera and Kaa finally reached the edge of Monkey City. They could see Mowgli in a circle with monkeys surrounding him. The two friends slipped into a ditch.
I wish Baloo was here,
Bagheera whispered.
but we will do what we can.
He looked up at the sky.
When that cloud covers the moon, I'll go to the terrace.
Good luck, Kaa whispered.
I will go over the west wall.
Then he glided away. The monkeys were still giving boastful speeches. Mowgli saw it was getting dark. Suddenly, he heard something. Bagheera's light feet on the marble terrace.
It worked!
He thought with relief.
My plan worked!
With a furious roar, the panther rushed forward. He darted right and left, striking monkeys. The startled creatures howled with fright and rage. Finally, a monkey managed to kick Bagheera.
There's only one attacker!
She shouted.
Let's get him!
A mass of monkeys surrounded Bagheera. They were biting, scratching, tearing, and pulling. Meanwhile, another group had grabbed Mowgli. They dragged him up the wall of a temple. Then they pushed him through a hole in its broken dome. A boy raised by humans would have gotten hurt in the fall to the temple floor, but Mowgli fell exactly as Baloo had taught him. He landed on his feet.
Stay in there,
A monkey said.
We'll be back after we get rid of your friend.
Now Mowgli could hear Kaa. He quickly gave the snake's call. There were other snakes inside the ruins. They hissed back at him.
Stand still, little brother. Please, don't step on us.
Mowgli stood as quietly as he could, peering through a hole. He listened to the furious sound of Bagheera fighting.
Baloo must be here too,
Mowgli thought. Bagheera would not have come without him.
but right now, Bagheera could use some help from me. Go to the water tank, Bagheera!
He shouted.
Get to the water!
Bagheera heard Mowgli's cry.
Thank goodness!
The panther thought, fighting his way toward the tanks.
The man cub is safe!
Suddenly, a shout rose. It was Baloo.
Bagheera! I'm here!
The old bear panted as he climbed the terrace. He threw himself onto his rear legs and held out his paws. Then he began to hit away monkeys. Bat, bat, bat! Mowgli heard a crash, followed by a splash. Bagheera had made it to the water tank. The monkeys would not follow him in there. The panther gasped for breath, his head just out of the water. Monkeys stood on the steps, dancing up and down with rage. They were ready to spring on him when he came out to help Baloo.
Where's Kaa?
Bagheera thought. Had the snake left? He lifted his dripping chin and gave the snake's call. It had taken Kaa a long time to get over the west wall. He coiled and uncoiled himself to be sure that every bit of his long body was working. Meanwhile, Baloo fought some monkeys. Mong the bat flew back and forth over them all, carrying the news of the battle. Then Hathi the elephant trumpeted loudly, waking up birds and more monkeys. Jungle animals began racing toward Monkey City. All at once, Kaa came, ready to deliver a crushing blow. The python's first strike drove into the heart of the crowd around Baloo. He didn't need to strike again. For all at once, the monkeys scattered.
It's Kaa!
They cried,
Run!
Kaa hissed as the monkeys ran in terror. Some of the monkeys had never met Kaa before, but they'd all heard stories about the terrifying python. He could slip along branches as quietly as moss grows. As the monkeys fled, Baloo drew in a deep breath of relief. He was sore and battered after fighting them. Bagheera was hurt too. The panther climbed out of the water tank and shook out his wet fur.
Let's get Mowgli before those monkeys attack again.
Bagheera said.
They will not attack again while I'm here.
Kaa hissed.
Where is the man cub anyway?
In here!
Mowgli danced around inside the dome.
I'm trapped!
Please, get him out of here!
Said a snake at his feet.
He will crush our young!
Stand back, Mowgli!
Kaa ordered. The python looked carefully at the dome. Finally, he spotted a crack in the marble. Then, lifting his body high above the ground, he smashed down again and again.
Whoa!
Bagheera exclaimed as the marble shattered in a cloud of dust. Mowgli leaped out and threw himself at Baloo and Bagheera.
Are you okay?
Baloo asked.
I'm sore and hungry,
Mowgli replied.
but I'm fine.
Kaa stared at Mowgli.
So, you're the man cub. Why, you look like a monkey.
Mowgli bowed.
Thank you for saving my life and my friends' lives.
It's nothing.
Kaa said softly. By now, the moon had sunk behind the hills. Trembling monkeys huddled together on the wall and along the stone buildings. Kaa glided into the center of the terrace and closed his jaws with a snap. Terrified, the monkeys watched him begin a slow dance.
This is my dance called the Hunger of Kaa. Sit still and watch me.
The snake commanded. Kaa wove his head from right to left. He made slow loops with his body. His scales rustled. Mowgli stood with Baloo and Bagheera. His eyes flicked from the monkeys to his friends. Everyone was watching the snake with wonder. Kaa hissed.
Come closer, monkeys.
The monkeys swayed forward helplessly. Baloo and Bagheera began to pitch forward too. Mowgli sprang toward them.
Come on!
He cried, yanking them away.
Let's get out of here!
The two great beasts jumped as if Mowgli had just woken them from a dream. Then they ran a short distance away. Bagheera glanced back at the snake and shuddered.
The monkeys aren't the only ones who are scared of Kaa. That snake makes me nervous.
Baloo shook out his fur.
It worked out fine. We have Mowgli again.
True, but this little adventure cost us.
Bagheera said sternly.
We're both injured, which means we cannot hunt for several days. And we were forced to ask Kaa for protection.
He glared at Mowgli.
We warned you about this. We told you it was foolish to play with the monkeys.
Mowgli looked down.
I'm sorry.
He's very young,
Baloo said.
and he's sorry for what he's done.
Being sorry is not enough punishment for breaking the rules.
Bagheera replied. With that, he gave Mowgli some light taps on the shoulder.
There,
Bagheera said.
that's done.
According to the law of the jungle, a punishment settled things. There was no need to say anything more about Mowgli's mistake with the monkeys.
Jump on my back, little brother.
Bagheera said.
We will go home.
Okay.
Mowgli climbed onto Bagheera's back and lay down his head. Soon, he was fast asleep.